Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel trapped in a never-ending cycle of work with no real financial security? If so, you're not alone. But what if I told you financial freedom is not just for the wealthy, it's achievable for you too? In this video, I'll give you a roadmap to financial freedom, one that actually works in 2025, based on real stories, current financial trends, and actionable steps you can start taking today. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could change your financial future forever. Financial freedom looks different for everyone. Let's take a look at how 3 different people achieved it in their own ways. Meet Jake. He started a small online business, reinvested profits, and used smart investments to build passive income. Today, he doesn't rely on a 9-to-5 job. Sarah worked a 9-to-5 job but built multiple income streams with freelancing and investing. Now, she's financially independent and no longer stresses about bills. John, a single father, mastered the art of budgeting and smart saving. He consistently invested small amounts, proving you don't need a huge salary to build wealth. The financial world is always evolving. Let's talk about what's happening right now in 2025 and how it impacts your journey to financial freedom. Inflation continues to affect everyday expenses, making financial planning even more crucial. From AI-powered investment platforms to sustainable investing, the way people grow wealth is changing. I'll show you how to take advantage of these trends. Remote work and the gig economy have opened new financial opportunities, if you know where to look. Now, let's get into the real steps you can take today to work towards financial freedom. 1. Budget like a pro. The first step is to track your income and expenses. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital can help you understand where your money is going. 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest roadblock to wealth. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards first. Use the snowball or avalanche method to tackle debt effectively. 3. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. This ensures that financial emergencies don't derail your progress. 4. Invest smartly and consistently. Investing isn't just for the rich. Use platforms like Trading 212, Robinhood, or Vanguard to start investing in index funds, ETFs, and stocks, even with small amounts. 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one income source is risky. Side hustles and passive income streams can accelerate your path to financial freedom. 6. Set long-term financial goals. Define what financial freedom means to you. Whether it's early retirement, travel, or security, having a clear goal keeps you motivated. Before we wrap up, let's talk about common financial mistakes that could slow your progress. 1. Not starting early. 2. Ignoring inflation's impact. 3. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. 4. Not having a financial plan. 5. Living beyond your means. Avoid these pitfalls, follow the right steps, and you'll be well on your way to financial independence. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a choice, and that choice starts today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this with someone who needs it.